The name of this is Graduation. I'm going to do a quick run through to show you exactly what it's supposed to do. There's a Matchbox car that shoots out of this, runs down the track, and it will end up hitting the first Wii game DVD case. It will knock it over in a domino effect. And at the end, there's a bottle of water that's on a pulley system. When the water drops down, it goes up and over. It will pull up the roll of tape and release the exercise wheel. The exercise wheel will roll down the treadmill. It will hit this yarn, which will release the golf ball. And at the end of the string, there's a popsicle stick that's attached to it. The golf ball will roll down the track, hit the Jenga blocks. It's a domino effect. And when it gets to the last one, there is a string attached to it, which is attached to the card. When the card falls down, it will release the golf ball. The golf ball will roll down the track, hit the book. This is another pulley system. And on the other side, it will lift up the cup that has a marble in there. The marble will run down the tube, hit the house of cards. The top card has a string to it. When it falls down, it will release the popsicle stick and the golf ball will roll down the track. When the golf ball rolls down the track, it is attached to another string in which it is attached to this card up here. When the card is released, the marble will drop down, fall on the books, and come out of the opening, and it will knock down the cards in a domino effect and end up at the graduation hat.